Welcome to VLearn's online class. In today's session, we will discuss about the binary search trees and advanced trees. And in advanced trees, we will discuss about the AVL tree and B tree. B tree is also known as multi-way tree. जैसा कि हमने previous session में देखा, previous session में we had already discussed about the trees. Tree is non-linear data structure, or you can say it is cyclic connected graph because tree doesn't contain any loops and cycle. Then you can see a tree here, that is parent node, or you can say root node, siblings and child node or leaf nodes. Then the level of the tree will be started from the top to bottom. The topmost root has level 0, then level 1, level 2 and so on. Then some of the basic terminologies about trees are node, edges, degree, leaf and terminal nodes, children's, sibling, length, ancestor, descendant, depth, height and forest. इन सब के बारे में हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं अपने सेशन में. नाउ बाइनरी ट्री क्या होता है? इट इज अ फाइनाइट सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट that is either empty or is partitioned to three disjoint subset, that is root, left and right subtrees. You can see here a binary tree. Then strict and complete binary tree, we had already discussed about these types of binary trees. Now there are three traversing techniques: pre-order, in-order, post-order. In pre-order traversal, the root is visited first, then left subtree and then right subtree. Then in order, the left node is visited first, then root node and then right. And in post order traversal, the traversal will start from the left node, then right and then root. Next is binary search tree. In today's session, we will discuss about the binary search tree and advanced trees. Now what is binary search tree? It is a kind of tree. It means it is non-linear data structure. Now in binary search tree is a binary tree that may be empty, or if it is not empty, then it satisfies some of the properties or some of the conditions, like all the left node contains the values less than the root node, all the right side node contains the values greater than the root node, and the left and right subtrees are also binary search tree. Like अगर आप binary search tree की बात करें तो binary search tree में हमने सबसे पहले एक root node create किया. रूट नोड के लेफ्ट में जितने भी नोड्स होंगे, द वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल द लेफ्ट सब नोड्स विल बी लेस देन द वैल्यू ऑफ द रूट नोड, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल द राइट नोड्स विल बी ग्रेटर देन द रूट नोड, एंड ऑल द लेफ्ट एंड राइट सब ट्रीज आर ऑल्सो बाइनरी सर्च ट्री. मीन्स जितने भी लेफ्ट और राइट सब ट्रीज होंगे वो भी सेम प्रॉपर्टी को सेटिस्फाई करेंगे, दैट इज सब ट्रीज में भी लेफ्ट नोड की वैल्यू विल बी लेस देन the root node and right node will be greater than the root node. Now, what are the operations that you can perform on binary search tree? You can create a binary search tree. You can insert values in binary search tree. You can search values in binary search tree, and you can delete the values in the binary search trees. Now, insertion and searching. जब भी हम values को insert करेंगे या जब भी हम values को search करेंगे, then we have to perform it step by step. Firstly, you have to compare the key with the data of the root node. जो भी आप value डालेंगे, पहले हमने root node की value के साथ search करा. The value can be less than the data of the root node, or value can be greater than the data of the root node. अब जैसा कि हमने देखा कि binary search tree have the property that the left node or the value of left node will be less than the root node, and the value of right node will be greater than the root node. It means अगर आपने जो भी वैल्यू इंसर्ट करनी है, अगर वो रूट नोड से ग्रेटर है तो वो रूट के राइट में जाएगी, अगर वो रूट नोड से स्मॉलर है देन इट विल बी प्लेस्ड इन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द रूट नोड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू वांट टू इंसर्ट अ नोड 34, आपके पास एक ट्री है. फर्स्टली 34 विल बी कंपेयर्ड विद 50. 50 के साथ अगर हमने कंपेयर कर दें 34 इज लेस देन 50, it means 34 will come in the left side of the root node. Now the next node is 30. Now the 34 will be compared with the 30. Now 34 is greater than 30. It means it comes at the right side of the 30. Now the 34 will be compared with 38. The 34 is less than 38. It means the 34 will comes at the left side of 38. It means अगर हम देखें after insertion, then 34 will come at the left side of the 38. Now deletion operation. If you want to delete a node, then there can be four possibilities. That there are no node in a tree. अगर कोई भी node नहीं है, then it is blank tree. Then node to be deleted is a leaf node. That is, it doesn't have any child. अगर आपने कोई भी leaf node delete करना है, which doesn't have any child, then node to be deleted has only one child and node to be deleted has two children. चार प्रॉपर्टीज हो सकती हैं. या तो आपके ट्री ब्लैंक ट्री है, कोई नोड ही नहीं है, या फिर द नोड टू बी डिलीटेड इज लीफ नोड. लीफ नोड मीन्स इट डजंट हैव एनी चाइल्ड. या फिर नोड जिसको आपने डिलीट करना है उसका सिर्फ वन चाइल्ड है, और नोड टू बी डिलीटेड एज टू चिल्ड्रन. नाउ इफ यू परफॉर्म द डिलीशन ऑपरेशन, अगर हम इस ट्री की बात करें, इफ यू want to delete 55, then it is simple, because 55 doesn't have any child, then you can easily remove the 55 from the tree. We simply आप remove कर सकते हैं इसे, because it doesn't affect the remaining tree. But if you want to delete 60, then the child of 60 is 55. Then what will happen in this condition? The 55 will come in place of 60 and the 60 will be deleted. Means हम rotate करेंगे, 55 को 60 के प्लेस पे लेकर आएंगे. It means 55 अभी यहाँ पे है. After deletion 55 will come at this position and the 60 will be deleted from there. Now next condition is, if you want to delete a node that has two childs, for example in case of 30, it has two children, that is 22 and 38. Now what will happen if you delete 30? Which will come in place of 30? 38 can also be come there and 22 can also be placed in place of 30. Because आपको हमेशा एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है कि whenever you delete any element or whenever you insert any element, then the properties of the binary search tree should be followed properly. It means the left node must contain the values smaller than the root node and the right node must contain the values greater than the root node. Now, if you want to delete 30, then if we place 22 in place of 30, then we check the condition. अब 22 यहाँ पे आएगा in place of 30, then 38 is greater than 22. बाइनरी सर्च ट्री की प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई होगी. अगर आप 22 को ऊपर लेकर आते हैं, 38 सेम प्लेस पे रहेगा, तो जो भी हमारा राइट नोड है, it should be greater than the root node, then property will be satisfied. Similarly, अगर आप 38 को लेकर आएंगे 30 के प्लेस पे, तब भी आपकी प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाइड रहेगी, because the 22 has smaller value than 38. In this way, you can delete a value from a binary search tree. Next is AVL tree. AVL tree को हम हाइट बैलेंस ट्री भी बोलते हैं. It may or may not be perfectly balanced. अब देखिए, जब आप ट्री में वैल्यूज इंसर्ट करते हैं, then the height of the tree can reach any of the limit, means height कितनी भी हो सकती है, but according to that height you have to maintain a balance between the nodes of the tree. तो अगर हम बैलेंस की बात करें, तो जब हम बैलेंसिंग फैक्टर को कंसीडर करते हैं, then it is the type of AVL tree, or you can say height balance tree. A binary tree of height h is completely balanced or balanced if all the leaves occur at nodes of level h or h minus 1, and if all the nodes at level lower than h minus 1 have two children. अगर हमें कैलकुलेट करना है कि whether the tree is height balanced tree or not, then you have to find out the balancing factor, and the balancing factor can be find it out by subtracting the height of the left node by subtracting the right of the right node. मीन्स आप लेफ्ट नोड की हाइट में से अगर हम राइट नोड की हाइट को माइनस कर देंगे, देन यू कैन गेट द बैलेंस्ड फैक्टर. If the balancing factor is 0, 1 or -1, it means the tree is balanced tree, or the balance of a node is normal. It means it is balanced. But if the balancing factor is other than 0, 1 or -1, then you have to balance it by rotation functions or by performing the rotation operations. Now, अगर आपने चेक करना है कि whether the binary tree of height edge is completely balanced or not, then you can check by the particular condition that if all the leaves occur at node of the level h, जितने भी leaf nodes हैं वो level h पे हैं या फिर h-1 पे हैं, या फिर all the nodes at level lower than h-1, h-1 से lowest level पे जितने भी nodes होंगे, अगर उनके all the nodes are 2 children, then the tree is height balanced tree. Now, according to this definition, you can consider a tree to be balanced or to be well balanced if for each node the longest path from the left to the node are about the same as length as longest path to the right. मतलब आपने right का longest path calculate करा, आपने left node का longest path calculate करा. अगर दोनों path almost same height के हैं, then you can say the tree is well balanced tree according to this definition. Now, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया कि tree is height balanced tree if for each node in the tree the height of left subtree differs from the height of the राइट सब ट्री बाय नॉट मोर देन 1. मीन्स आप दोनों का डिफरेंस कैलकुलेट करेंगे. अगर डिफरेंस 0, 1 या -1 है, देन यू कैन से इट इज बैलेंस ट्री. अदरवाइज यू हैव टू बैलेंस द नोड्स ऑफ द ट्री बाय रोटेशन फंक्शंस. देख सकते हैं यहां पे ट्रीज आप. नाउ, अगर आप हाइट बैलेंस ट्री क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, देन पहले तो आपको बैलेंसिंग फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करना है. यू कैन फाइंड आउट द बैलेंसिंग फैक्टर बाय सबट्रैक्टिंग द हाइट ऑफ द लेफ्ट सब ट्री फ्रॉम द हाइट ऑफ राइट सब ट्री. इफ द टू सब ट्रीज आर ऑफ द सेम हाइट, देन द बैलेंसिंग फैक्टर विल बी 0. अगर लेफ्ट सब ट्री की हाइट और राइट सब ट्री की हाइट दोनों सिमिलर है, देन द बैलेंसिंग फैक्टर इज 0. If the right subtree has higher height, then the balancing factor is -1, and if the left subtree is higher, then the balancing factor is +1. Now, AVL tree is a binary tree which has the following properties. The subtree of every node differs in the height by at most once, and every subtree is an AVL tree. जितने भी सब ट्रीज हैं उनकी हाइट 1 से ज्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. Means you can say a AVL tree is a binary search tree because the properties of binary search tree are also followed. That is, the left node value will be smaller than the value of the the root value will be smaller than the value of the left node. The root value will be greater than the value of the left node and smaller than the value of the right node. अब AVL tree अगर आपने बैलेंसिंग करनी है, you can see here C की हमने हाइट कैलकुलेट करी. C का ये these are the balancing factors like 0, -1 and -2. Now how you can find out this balancing factor? C doesn't have any child. The height of C is 1. Height of B is 2, height of A is 3. Now, C की हाइट 1 है, इसका लेफ्ट इट इज लीफ नोड, इनका लेफ्ट और राइट कोई नोड नहीं है. इट मीन 0 - 0 0, तो इसका बैलेंसिंग फैक्टर है 0. C की हाइट है 1 एंड B इज लेफ्ट चाइल्ड कुछ नहीं है, इट मीन्स द हाइट ऑफ द लेफ्ट चाइल्ड इज 0. तो 0 में से अगर आप 1 माइनस करेंगे देन इट विल बी इक्वल टू -1. सिमिलरली B की हाइट है 2 बिकॉज द हाइट विल बी मार्क्ड फ्रॉम द बॉटम टू टॉप. B की हाइट है 2, इट मीन्स A के लेफ्ट साइड पे कुछ नहीं है, 0 में से 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया आपने, 0 minus 2 इट मीन्स -2. अब C here the node C and node B has balancing vector that is equal to 0 and -1. It means these are balanced, but the balancing vector of A is -2. Then you have to perform the rotation operations to make this tree balanced tree. Now, if the height is -2, then अब अगर हम इसे रोटेट करते हैं then you can rotate it like हमने इसे रोटेट करा, रोटेशन परफॉर्म करी लेफ्ट साइड पे, B becomes a root node, A comes at the left side and C comes at the right side. Here you can see now A is leaf node and C is leaf node. The height of A is 1 and height of C is 1. Height of B is 2. Now A leaf node है and C leaf node है. It means that they doesn't have any left and right subtrees or any left and right node. It means the balancing factor of A and C are 0 and the height of A and C is 1 1. It means when you subtract 1 minus 1 it will become 0. Now all the nodes of the AVL tree is balanced in this way. Similarly अगर हम next tree की बात करें, A is placed here. Now A, B, C. These are two nodes. These are three nodes. C is balanced because the balancing factor of C is 0. B is balanced because the balancing factor of B is 1. But A is not balanced because the balancing factor of A is equals to 2. Now again you have to perform the rotation operations. Now rotation, right rotation you can say. In the previous example, we performed the left rotation and in this, we performed the right rotation. Again, हमने right rotate किया. B, A comes at the right side and C comes at the left side. C and A both are leaf node. It means they have balancing factor 0 and B is non-leaf node but the child of C, B has. B's child is C and A which has height equal to 1 1, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. It means all the nodes have balancing vector 0. It means these nodes are balanced nodes. Next is double rotation. देखिए, it is possible in some cases that you are not able to find out the balancing factor by single rotation. In that case, you have to perform the rotation 2 times. जैसे कि हमने इस ट्री को रोटेट किया, आपने रोटेट किया, B comes at the position of the root node, the B's right child is C, then the child will remain same and the A will come at the right side. That is, A will become the child of the C. Now if you want to check the balancing factor of A is 0, that is 0 minus 0, and the balancing factor of C is -1, that is 0 minus 1, and balancing factor of B is -2, that is 0 minus 2. Now again it is unbalanced because the balancing factor is -2. Then now what you have to do, you have to again perform the rotation operation. अब अगर हम इसे रोटेट करें, इट मीन C will come at the root position, B will come at the left side and A will come at the right side. You can see here, this is double rotation. Means if you doesn't get the balanced tree, if you doesn't get the balanced tree by single rotation, then you have to perform the rotation again and again till you doesn't find the balanced tree. Here you can say again the example of double rotation. In this, the height of the A is 3, that is 1, 2, 3, and the balancing factor of A is 2, that is 2 minus 0. Now, in the first rotation, what will happen? The B will come in place of A and C will come in place of B. In this way, you can perform the rotation, or the C will come at the place of B and the B will come in place of C. Then you rotate it again to perform the or to find out the balanced tree. It means आपने इसे इस form में rotate करा. Means rotation can be performed in any way. It can be left rotation, it can be right rotation, it can be single rotation, or it can be double rotation. Now, but one thing you have to notice here, that the child of the subtree will remain same. In this case, the child of B is C, and if you want to rotate it, then you cannot change the child of the B. The C remains the child of B, and if A comes at the left side, then A will come at the left side of the C. Here you can see the example of AVL tree. You have values, that is 3, 5, 11, 8, 4, 1, 12, 7, 2, 6, 10. जब भी आप कोई वैल्यू इंसर्ट करेंगे, you have to check the balancing factor, and if the tree is not balanced at any stage, then you have to perform the rotation operation to find out the balanced tree. जैसे कि firstly you enter the first node, that is 3, and the height of the first node is 1, and the left and right sub node, it doesn't have left and right subtrees. It means the balancing factor of 3 is 0. Now next is 5. If you now want to insert 5, 5 is greater than 3, it means it will come at the right side of the 3, and now the height of the 5 is 1 and height of 3 is 2. But 5 is leaf node, that is it doesn't have left and right nodes. Then the balancing factor of 5 is 0, but the balancing factor of 3 is -1, because height of 5 is 1 and it doesn't have 3 doesn't have left node, that is 0 minus 1 is equal to -1. In this stage also the tree is balanced. Next is 11. Now 11 is greater than 3, it means it will come at the right side of the 3. Now 11 is greater than 5 also, it means it comes at the right side of 5. Now if you calculate the height of the AVL tree, or you can simply call the tree, then the height of 11 is 1, height of 5 is 2, height of 3 is 3. Now find out the balancing factor. 11 is leaf node, it means it have the balancing factor 0. The balancing factor of 5 is -1, that is 0 minus 1 equals to -1, and the balancing factor of 3 is -2, that is 0 minus 2 is equal to -2. Now in this stage the tree is not balanced, it means you have to perform the balancing operation, or you can say rotation operation, to make the tree balanced. The rotation can be performed left rotation or right rotation. जैसे कि आपने perform किया, 5 will come at the root position, 3 will come at the left, and 11 will come at the right. In this way all the nodes are balanced. Now after 11 you have to insert 8. 8 is greater than 5, it means it comes at the right side of the 5, but it is smaller than 11, it means it comes at the left side of the 8. Now again you have to calculate the balancing factor. All the nodes are balanced, that is 0, 1, -1. It means the tree is balanced. Now the next value is 4. Again when you insert 4, when you have to insert 4, firstly the 4 is compared with the root node, that is 5. 4 is less than 5, it means it comes at the left side of the root node. Now 4 will be compared with 3, 4 is greater than 3, it means it comes at the right side of the node, that is 3. Now you have to calculate the balancing factor of all the nodes, and the balancing factor of all the nodes is equal to 0, 1, minus 1 or 0. It means the tree is again a balanced tree. Now next time you have to insert 1. 1 is smaller than 5, it comes at the left side. Then again 1 is smaller than 3, it means it comes at the left side of the 3. Now again after insertion you have to calculate the balancing factor. If the balancing factor is 0, 1, minus 1, that means the tree is balanced tree. Otherwise you have to perform the rotation operation to make the tree balanced. In the next step you have to insert 12. 12 is greater than 5, it means it comes at the right side of the 5. Now 12 is greater than 11 also, it means it comes at the right side of 11. After insertion of the element, that is 12, again the balancing factor of all the nodes is calculated. If the balancing factor is 0, 1, minus 1, it means the tree is balanced tree. In the same way you have to, or you can insert value in the AVL tree, and after insertion of each element you have to calculate the balancing factor. Like after the 12 you insert 7 here, after 7 you insert 2 here, and after insertion of these elements the height and the balancing factor will be calculated again and again. Now what happens if you add 6? 6 add kiya, then the balancing factor of 8 is 2, balancing factor of 11 is 2. It means the tree is unbalanced, and there is a need to rebalance the tree by the rotation functions. The rotation functions will be performed. It means first of all this subtree is taken, 6, 7 and 8. The rotation operation will be performed. 7 comes at the root position, 6 at the right side and 8 at the left side. Now again calculate the balancing factor of all the nodes. If the tree is balanced, then it does not have any need to perform the rotation operation again and again. In this way you can create a AVL tree, or you can say height balanced tree. There are various methods, or there are many types of rotations that you can perform to find out the balanced tree. This is all about the AVL tree. Thank you.